Mishra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna create a video of September recommendation, which I didn't create it in the beginning of September due to my exams and all that stuff. So I'm creating this video today. And yeah, I know what you are thinking right now. Why I'm creating videos on my terrace? Because there is some power cut in my house. There is no electricity, no light. Maybe we didn't have paid the bill. But let's bear with me, and that's the reason I'm creating video on my terrace. So let's begin with the video. Today I'm gonna recommend you four super amazing books by four different authors. Some are from foreign and some are from India, and all those books are from different genres. So if you are someone who love fiction, who love thriller, or if you are someone who love non-fiction, then you need to watch this video because I'm gonna recommend you super amazing books today. So let's begin with the video. But first book I'm gonna recommend you today is Ball Gowns to Yoga Pants, and it's written by Dr. Shaili. She's an amazing author. This book is gonna motivate you to create business out of your passion. This is a non-fiction book and it's just amazing. This book is gonna motivate you to every point just to know. You can also learn how to be an entrepreneur, how to build your business, how to earn money from your passion. So this book is gonna be a bomb for you. Shelley is in the top of her career. She's a successful businesswoman, and in this book, she shared her 10 secrets which helped her to achieve what she is today. To be so successful businesswoman, to be handling a lot of stuff in just one time, and she have wrote 12 or 13 books, and all those books are just amazing. This book is fiction, thriller, and suspense. This book is Asylum Takeover, and this book is just amazing. The way author has put all the story together is just amazing. You're gonna fall in love with the plot. The characters building is so good. The characters are so amazing, and I'm sure you're gonna love it if you are someone who love reading suspense, thriller, and all that stuff. Silent Takeover is a tale of revenge, murder, thrill, suspense, and all that. So this book is about a celebrity who is celebrating 50th birthday, and some journalists asked him why don't you have a life partner and all that personal stuff. He got so aggressive. He shouted in the media, and he turned his back, and he went inside. And after that, there's a lot of stuff you're gonna learn. There's a girl who investigates this case, and what she finds that whomever Raj has been in a relationship, she's dead or mad. She's out of her sense. So when she discovered all that, it's just like she was shocked that why all those girls are mad or they are not alive. So this is an amazing plot. I love the plot. That's the reason I'm sharing it with you guys. If you want to know more, just go and check out this book. This is an amazing book. So let's jump to the next book. So the next book is Can I Create What Stars Can't Foretell? And this is by Dinesh Sahaiji. I have read a lot of books by Dinesh Sahaiji, and I personally admire him a lot because he is like a mentor to me. So this book is going to tell you how you can create your own destiny, your own path, your own success, whether it's about wealth, health, life partner, money, everything. Everything, whatever you want in your life, this book is about that. Can you create what stars can't foretell? Can you create what's not written in your destiny? Your destiny in your hand is in your hands. This is a non-fiction book, and this book is going to motivate you a lot to do what you actually wants to do in your life. Your hard work is going to pay off, and at some point of your life. So work hard, achieve whatever you want, create your own destiny, and that's what this book teaches you. In this book, author have also shared some really cool stuff like giving is receiving, the natural law of sharing, how you share when you share your stuff with others, your wealth, your success, your happiness with others, everything is gonna come back to you at some point, some way or the other way. So I loved reading this book. So let's jump to the next book, which is Once There Was Me, and it's written by Bobby Sachdeva. This book is just amazing. You are gonna learn a lot. This book is all about Bobby Sachdeva's life when Indira Gandhi was killed, murdered by Sikh. And after that, what happened to Sikh? Every in Delhi, in Punjab, everyone was killing Sikhs. and this is his personal experience, what he have faced in his life. Book is a non-fiction book, and you are gonna see a lot of stuff which you have never heard, which you don't even know that okay, something like this had happened to Sikh. We all know that Indira Gandhi was killed by a Sikh, but we don't know what Sikhs have been gone through after that one murder. Everyone was killing their wives, raping their daughters. This book is gonna tell you, gonna make you feel emotion. If you are someone who is too emotional, you're gonna cry at some point, because this book have shared real insight. It's personal story of Bobby Sachdeva and his experience. This is a non-fiction book, and the language is very good. In this book, Bobby Sachdeva has shared his very first experience, which I'm gonna share you now. He was hiding in the water tank with his father for more than 10 hours just to survive. A tank full of water, and their house was burned. Their things, their all belongings were burned. Nothing was there for them, but they just wanted to survive, and it's their luck that they survived. And after that, when they tried to come out this situation, when they came out of the situation, actually they went to Delhi to have a new life, to be out of all this mess. But when they reached there, they got mocked by other students. Bobby Sachdeva was mocked by other students to be having the turban in his head and to be looking different, because Sikhs have some rules and they follow that. I feel that I'm so lucky to have personal connection with so amazing authors, with all these authors, and they're sending me books. I'm so privileged to review their books, to read their books, to learn from their life. And sometimes I feel really great for that. I'm grateful for that I am doing this thing, and I'm getting to know a lot of stuff. I'm learning a lot, I'm growing a lot through reading books. So this was all about September recommendations. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned, stay healthy, stay happy. And yeah, do let me know what is the next video you want me to do, because next video I'm gonna do by your suggestions. So drop your suggestions. I would try to create video whatever you people want. What kind of books you want me to suggest, what kind of love stories, fiction, non-fiction, mythology, whatever you want me to do, just comment below. I will be doing that for next week, or for next week, for my next video. So stay tuned, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, take care of your mental health. Mental health is really important, so take care of your mental health, and bye bye, stay happy.